this presentation is designed to give writing instructors an idea of what benefits and methods exist to help bring their teaching into the 21st century. First, we'll discuss some of the positive and negative aspects of bringing technology into the classroom. The beneficial effects include increased differentiation for students with various learning abilities, increased interest and participation among students of all abilities, and in addition, incorporating technology into the writing classroom can serve as a bridge between two generations with different learning styles. Not listed, but still important, is the time technology can save teachers. Using technology in the classroom has potential to disrupt the learning process. For example, if the teacher experiences technical difficulties or insufficient training, this tool can hinder instruction. Let's look at one example project. Students work with each other, their parents, and the instructor to tell a story using a video platform. This project satisfies the Common Core writing standards and also increases test scores. According to the study's graphs, the percent of students who met expectations went from 18% to 82% after the completion of this digital video project. Here are some resources for teachers. For facilitating and expediting writing instruction on a daily basis, the resources in the left-hand column can be useful. For more specialized projects that involve a collection of images, the resources in the right-hand column are available for teachers at no cost. One final idea I encountered during my research is to utilize memes as an instruction genre. From syllabi to feedback, memes can be used to connect with and communicate with students.